So here at Welshpool, we're a bit of a one-stop shop for customers offering a rebuild service. So we offer anything from our fabrication centre where we can do strip down bare chassis and repair individually. We can also offer ancillary machines, so anywhere from your 16M graders up through to your wheel loaders, 994s.
Here at Welshpool, our fabrication team can basically fab anything that your heart desires. So we can go from a small bracket through to a complete chassis repair. Our mining components team are able to rebuild anything. When it comes to throughput and program size that we put through Welshpool, we can handle anything from a single machine for a resource industry customer, all the way through to large programs. Currently we have 51 machines from BHP coming through for complete chassis replacements, along with 19 from Rio Tinto.
We have large overhead cranes ranging up to 50 tonnes. We can turn graders, 854 wheel dozers, 992, 994 wheel loaders, as well as our ranging in 785 to 793 dump trucks.
Most of our customers are looking for different options, and being able to tailor those options is most important. So when customers approach us around rebuild opportunities, we try and come up with a few different strategies. It's not just here's a price and one size fits all. We can provide any different service to tailor the customer's needs.
We offer a certified rebuild, which is a Caterpillar run program. We also offer dealer level or customer level overhauls, depending on what the customer's requirement is. Financially, availability is that we can tailor that rebuild to suit the customer's requirements.
Machine rebuilds are one of the best opportunities, not only from a physical availability sense, but from a sustainability sense as well. We're able to reuse most of the components that come off of the machine, replacing only the worn parts.
For a customer to rebuild their machine instead of buying a new machine, can save anywhere up to 40% cost for that overhaul.
We also have a dedicated cab rebuild centre. This solution has been terrific for our customers in saving on average $100,000 per cab as compared to a new.
We went through a bit of a transition a few years ago. What that's allowed us to do is to get really high quality people along with the high quality trades and skills. We've been able to come in and bring in diverse people and then provide really strong coaching and mentoring. What that's allowed us to do now is have a very safe culture where people can challenge the norm, ask open questions.
When you work at WesTrac Welshpool, you work as a team. Experienced people are passing on this knowledge to the next generation. The team at Welshpool is very collaborative. If there's a problem and you need help, there's always the experience on hand to help you solve the problem.
So the customers that have never done rebuilds with WesTrac before, what I'd say is you're going to get what we say we're going to deliver. We've got really strong understanding of what the customers want. We can manage turnaround times, we can manage the quality. What you think you're going to get is what you're going to get.
Through building better together, we're able to ensure that the customer receives the service and parts that they desire at a cost point that suits them.